Hey guys, and welcome back to Stencil Me Pretty. It is bird month here at Stencil Me Pretty, so all of the projects that I'm doing are focused on our bird stencils, and they just create such a sense of calmness. All the projects are so great. So here is 5 different wall designs using some of our bird stencils, so let's get right into it. Starting off with a couple simple projects, we're starting with the city birds on a wire stencil. I stenciled this in light gray above my home office area. Just gave such a calming feeling, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. Next up, we have the Mediterranean swallowbird stencil, and I created this using light grays all the way up to dark grays to create some depth, and I just think it turned out so majestic. The bird's branches and leaves stencil is really nice because it's so customizable on the composition that you want to create on the wall or on whatever you're doing the stencil on. And I just created branches coming out of one side of the wall for this look and some birds fluttering through the air, and it just came out so illustrative and I loved it. I created a really unique composition with combining 3 different stencils. I did a black base and then gold stenciling on top, and it just made for such a unique look, and it was so ornate. I used the Mediterranean swallowbird stencil to create this soaring bird kind of look, and I loved how it turned out. I just stenciled all of the small bird on the stencil and then went in with some hand painted details to finish it off, and it was just perfect. That wraps up today's video. Those are the 5 looks that I've created so far this month for Bird Month, and I hope you guys are enjoying all of these projects. If you want to look at some of our more recent projects, you can head over to our Instagram at Stencil Me Pretty. And if you want to look at some more stencils on our website, you can head over to stencilmepretty.com and you can go ahead and choose your stencils for your future DIY projects.